I noticed, I got these from Amazon, right, I'll show you this. I bought this new set from Amazon, and there are literally, well, I think it doesn't say on the front. If I can remember, it's 300 and something pieces in it. It's not got all these in it. It is just the discs or the drums, the sanding drums, and the shanks to go with them. So you've got all these, all different sizes. And I noticed in the comments on Amazon there are so many that say they're rubbish. They fall off. They come flying off the end. The thing is, what people don't realise is, I tell you, there's quite a few. If you look on Amazon, I put a link in the video here at the bottom in the comments for these. It's obviously an affiliate link, but I'm not that bothered. They're only, I can't remember whether £6 or £9. But what people don't realise is you've got to tighten this screw in the end. You've got to tighten that up, and that squashes the rubber down. You don't need to go too tight. That's solid now. That's not going to fly off. No way. And that's what people are missing. They're buying them. They're putting reviews on and saying they're a lot of rubbish. Don't buy. They fly off. They're dangerous. You need to wear eye protection, which I suppose you should do anyway. But then when you unscrew that, these just slide off. If you can imagine, if you're spinning that and you're rubbing against some wood, of course it's going to fly off. But they don't realise you've got to tension it with this screw in the end.